Hello, and a very warm welcome. Throughout my time exploring the far corners of our planet, I have been endlessly fascinated by the sheer diversity of life. We often see ourselves, humanity, as separate, a species apart, but the lines are far more blurred than one might imagine. The animal kingdom is filled with creatures whose abilities mirror our own in the most astonishing ways. Today, we embark on a journey to meet 10 of these remarkable beings, counting down the most incredible examples of animal intelligence that challenge everything we thought we knew. Number 10. Deep within the verdant canopies of Borneo and Sumatra lives a solitary, thoughtful ape, the orangutan. Observing them is like watching a master craftsman at work. They possess an extraordinary ability to use tools, a skill passed down through generations. A young orangutan watches its mother intently, learning to select the perfect stick, fashion tools with remarkable foresight. This deliberate problem-solving mind reveals a cognitive depth that forces us to reconsider the boundaries between human and animal intelligence. Number 9. The power of speech is something we hold dear, yet in the heart of Africa, there is a bird that can master this complex art. The African gray parrot is renowned not just for mimicking human words, but for its staggering capacity to understand them, learning vocabularies of hundreds of words. They can identify objects, colors, shapes, quantities, responding to questions with an accuracy that defies belief. To hear one of these birds correctly answer a question is to witness a remarkable bridge of understanding between two vastly different species. Number 8. Beneath the shimmering surface of our oceans thrives a society of immense complexity, the bottlenose dolphin. Using an intricate system of clicks, whistles, and body language, they coordinate their actions with breathtaking precision, each possessing a unique signature whistle. Their teamwork is a masterclass in collaboration. When hunting, a pod will work together to herd fish, taking turns to feed. They use tools like sea sponges to protect themselves while foraging, a learned skill passed from mother to calf, clear evidence of animal culture. Number 7. To look into the eyes of a chimpanzee is to see a reflection of ourselves, sharing over 98% of our DNA. Chimpanzees have demonstrated the ability to learn and use human sign language, bridging the communicative gap between our species in a profound way. They are master tool users, fashioning spears from sticks, using stones to crack nuts with surgical precision. Their complex social structures, emotional depth, and technical prowess show us just how fine the line is that separates us from our closest living relatives. Number 6. The octopus seems like a creature from another world, with 3 hearts, blue blood, and a brain that extends through its 8 arms. Its intelligence is as alien as its anatomy. An octopus possesses a formidable mind, notorious as escape artists able to solve the most complex puzzles. Each arm can act semi-independently, taste, touch, and move without direct instruction from the central brain, performing multiple complex tasks at once. They use coconut shells as portable shelters, recognize individual humans, and navigate complex mazes, a solitary, clever ghost of the deep. Number 5. There is an old saying that an elephant never forgets, and there is profound truth in it. These magnificent animals possess one of the most remarkable memories in the animal kingdom. Matriarchs can remember the locations of waterholes across vast landscapes, guiding their families to safety during droughts based on knowledge acquired decades earlier. Their intelligence is matched by their capacity for deep emotion. Elephants display empathy, comforting distressed members with gentle touches. They mourn their dead, often returning to the bones of deceased relatives for years, standing in silent contemplation, a gentle and ancient consciousness. Number 4. Often overlooked, the crow is one of the most intelligent birds on the planet, a feathered genius hiding in plain sight. Crows don't just use tools, they craft them, bending wire to make hooks, trimming leaves into probes with foresight and skill that is extraordinarily rare. They solve complex multi-step puzzles, one experiment requiring an 8-step sequence using different tools in the correct order to get a reward. They drop nuts onto roads so cars crack them, then wait for lights to change before retrieving. The crow is a master strategist thriving in our modern world. Number 3. The bond between humans and dogs is ancient and unique, forged over tens of thousands of years of shared history. Dogs are exquisitely attuned to human emotions and communication, They can read our facial expressions, interpret our tone, and follow pointing gestures. The average dog can learn around 165 words, while exceptional individuals have learned over 1,000, using logical reasoning to infer new object names. They feel empathy, often mirroring our emotional states and offering comfort when we are sad. Their talent lies in bridging the species gap with profound intuitive connection. Number 2. Often unfairly maligned, the pig is a creature of surprising and profound intelligence. Cognitive tests have shown them to be smarter than dogs and even some primates. They possess excellent long-term memories and are adept at solving complex puzzles, such as navigating mazes or even learning to play simple video games using a joystick. Pigs are highly social creatures, forming complex hierarchies and communicating with a wide range of sounds. They show empathy and can learn through observation. Their intelligence is so pronounced that they can learn tricks and commands with ease, responding to their names and even learning to fetch. A clear demonstration that intelligence is found where we least expect it. Number 1. In the forests of Central and South America lives a small monkey with a very large brain for its size. The Capuchin, the quintessential tool users of the New World. They are famous for their use of stones as tools, hammer and anvil, cracking hard-shelled nuts. This requires immense strength, precision, and patience. They carefully select the right stone and use it with learned skill. Young monkeys watch and learn, taking years to master the technique, a tradition passed down through generations. Their intelligence is deeply social. In experiments, a Capuchin given a lesser reward protests, sometimes throwing the inferior reward back, pointing to a complex sense of social equity. And so, our journey through this gallery of animal genius comes to a close. From the puzzle-solving octopus to the cooperative dolphin, each creature has shown us that the talents we once thought were ours alone are shared across the animal kingdom. They are a powerful reminder that we are not the sole proprietors of intelligence on this planet, but part of a much grander, more intricate web of life. These glimpses into the minds of other species foster a sense of connection and respect for the creatures with whom we share this earth. I invite you to share in the comments which of these incredible animal talents surprised you the most. If you wish to continue exploring the marvels of our planet with me, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more. Thank you for joining me.